Hi there, welcome back to Bushido, where honor is stronger than steel. In this section, we will discover more about the second most important virtue in the Bushido Code of Conduct, courage. The type of courage spoken about in the Bushido Code is different in the sense that it is more closely linked to righteousness. If righteousness is about making the right decision, then courage is what is needed to act on that decision. A man who is conventionally courageous might stand his ground against 10 men or have the fortitude to explore jungles and mountains on his own. However, true courage, according to Bushido principles, is displayed when a weak man stands up to a strong bully and tells him to stop. True courage is shown when a man who fears water jumps into the sea to rescue another. To a samurai, the degree of courage in a warrior is not measured by one's readiness to draw one's sword or fearlessness. Rather, the samurai considered courage to be in qualities inseparable from strength of mind or the fortitude of spirit. A samurai would have to consider all aspects of the situation at hand, then decide on the right course, and only then he would need to summon his courage. There was once a samurai called Musashibo Benkei. He was a warrior monk from the 12th century, famous for his great strength. He was said to have defeated more than 1,000 men, both in duels and in battle. However, this was not the reason he is remembered. Benkei was famed for the holding the bridge incident in Koromogawa no Tate Castle. In order to allow his master Minamoto no Yoshitsune time to commit seppuku, Benkei held the main bridge in front of the main gate all by himself against the enemy army, where he killed more than 300 enemy soldiers. It is said that the enemy soldiers were so afraid to face Benkei in close combat that they chose to shoot and kill Benkei with arrows. Thus, it was not Benkei's strength or skill that is honored to this day. Rather, it is his determination to stand his ground in defense of his master to the death, as well as his courage in facing a whole enemy army by himself. As with righteousness, courage has not gone out of fashion yet in the modern world. Superhero movies like Superman or Batman, where the hero possesses courage to fight against what is wrong, is still very much sought after. We also face situations in our daily lives that may not be as dramatic if compared to superhero movies, but still require courage all the same. Do not confuse courage with conventional bravery. A brave employee might dare to stand up in a meeting and propose a revolutionary idea to the management. An employee with courage and perhaps recklessness, however, is not afraid to tell management that the current $1 million project ongoing has no chance of success, despite knowing that the project was personally suggested by the general manager, who is known to be intolerant of any criticism and holds grudges. In business decisions, it is not enough to say, "I will bravely take the risk in order to make money." Sometimes the right business decision may lead to temporary losses or hardship. It may be tempting to take the easy, profitable path that will require you to sacrifice your principles or use unethical methods. Bushido courage is having the courage to do what is right. However, for anything worth having, one must pay the price. And the price is the courage to do what is right. If all right choices lead to riches and ease, then why would we need courage? Self-interest would suffice. So as a courageous warrior in this modern time, make the right decisions and move courageously forward in the battles of your life.